Accepting PFI specified engagement. In the first part we learn about what is PFI, its principles, and its types. Now today we will discuss how an engagement specific for PFI should accept by the auditor and what matters should consider. General factors. As we know, PFI is an assumption-based information, which make it a highly subjective and risky area, as the assumptions can be biased, unrealistic and faulty. So, if the PFI assumptions don't seem realistic or the auditor believes that PFI will be inappropriate for its intended use, then the auditor should withdraw from engagement. Factor by international standard for assurance engagements, that should consider by auditor before accepting engagement. The intended use of the information. Distribution level. Whether the information will be for general or limited distribution. The nature of the assumptions. That is, whether they are best estimate or hypothetical assumptions. The elements to be included in the information. The period covered by the information. Other factors. Audit resources. Whether firm have enough recourses for assignment. Auditor capabilities. Whether auditor have knowledge and experience to handle the engagement. Available time. Can firm cover the task with given deadlines? Duty of confidentiality. Does the degree of secrecy require beyond the normal duty of confidentiality? Before accepting the engagement, the auditor and the client should agree on the terms of the engagement. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.